These videos are educational in nature and meant to help 21 and over adult smokers switch to a healthier alternative. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I am Matt.
And I'm V, and we're back at it with another review for ya.
Oh, yes. So today we're going to check out the Morf Bar Touch 20K, and this is powered by Smok. So another disposable made by Smok. Smok's kind of the sleeper in the disposable world. They make really good ones. The Priv Bar was one of my favorites, but they're not as popular as some of the other brands out there, although I think they kind of deserve to be. Now with this Morf Bar, it has a touch screen. It also has 18 mLs of liquid. It's got a metal body with that display on one side. It does have adjustable wattage. So you can go from soft mode, which is like 14 watts and up, all the way up into normal mode. And then it maxes out at boost mode, which is 25 watts. Also gives you a liquid indicator on that screen. There is airflow control on the bottom as well, with a clicky airflow control setting, which I quite like because then it stays there. USB-C, 1000 milliamp hour battery, 18 mLs of e-liquid, and they adopted the very comfortable sort of Geek Bar Pulse-ish mouthpiece, which is quite comfortable as well. Also, it is a dual coil, so it alternates between the coils and I think fires both coils depending on where your wattage is at. And we're gonna start out with Raspberry Sour Apple, and we're gonna vape this the way she's been vaping it because she's a hardcore booster, always airflow open, all the way open.
Max.
I'm definitely not. So you're boosting like 25 watts, going through a ton of liquid there.
That is really good, though. That is a good flavor. And it vapes really nicely, too.
Flavor's really good.
Really good.
It's a berry and apple flavor with the sour apple. It's really well done.
I like the draw. I like that you can change the wattage.
Yeah. It's very powerful at that 25 watts where she likes it, though. Where I've been using these is one click down on the airflow control. And then I like it at 17 watts.
Let's try.
Yeah, that's more my jam.
Airflow's a little bit too tight for me, but I like that it has adjustable airflow.
So if you want to lock this, you just press the lock button. In order to unlock, it's 3 taps on the lock button. And yeah, you got some interesting screen features as well. It's all psychedelic and shit.
It's pretty psychedelic.
Super psychedelic. Up next, we're going to try Quad Berries. We'll boost it for her. How about 24 watts?
Okay.
You're boosted. Airflow's all the way open. Here we go.
Very nicely done. So I'm guessing there's like 4 berries in there because it's quad berries. I'm tasting like strawberry, raspberry.
Blueberry,
yeah.
raspberry. I don't know what the 4th berry is. Maybe huckleberries.
Maybe.
You just never know. To me, it tastes like blue raz with just a little bit more going on. A little bit of cooling in there. Quite tasty. Up next, we are going to try the one that I've been using, Watermelon Sour Peach. We're going up to boosted. Airflow all the way open. There you are.
That is nice. Peach and watermelon, huh? That's divine.
Really good. This
really
has
good.
been one I've been using. Definitely an all-day vape for me. The flavors in here are fantastic. That's why I like the Smok disposables. I'm not sure if they partnered with somebody else on this one because it says powered by Smok, but it's the Morf Bar. Regardless, it tastes like Smok's flavors, and they're really good. That's why I like the Priv bars so much. Really, really fantastic flavors. So no issue at all with that. Now, as far as pros and cons with these, cons first. I don't have any glaring ones other than I don't feel the need to have like that screensaver thing that's all psychedelic pop up after I'm vaping this. I like a more discreet vape. I don't mind a display. I like being able to see my liquid level, my battery level, but I don't need like the little like psychedelic thing
Yeah, we don't need to go
going
back
on
to the 70s when we're vaping.
I'm not tripping on nicotine. You know what I'm saying? So that's like my one complaint with this. I like this better than the Spaceman 20K we reviewed, a month or two ago. That one was more plastic. This one feels more like the Priv Bar metal, more of a kind of a soap bar kind of feel. It's contoured on the sides. Really comfortable mouthpiece as well. It's kind of that Geek Bar-esque style mouthpiece. It's a little bit rubberized. Really dig it. How about you? Pros and cons, because you've been using one of these too.
Pros, it holds a lot of liquid. It's rechargeable. You can adjust the airflow. You can adjust the wattage. The flavors are great. Cons, not a fan of the psychedelic screen as well.
So you're basically there with me.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I really like the airflow control on this. I like the build quality, obviously definitely pocketable, and you get a good amount of liquid. There's 18 mLs and a larger battery than a lot of disposables out there with a 1000 milliamp hour battery. Now, like we always say in these videos, we would never suggest to anyone to only use disposables. We think they fit certain good use cases, good for new vapors dipping their toes in, good for seasoned vapors that just want a supplementary device, and lazy vapors that just don't want to refill a vape.
Yep.
Like her. So I think that's it, guys. Very nice job. Morf Bar, if you're a Priv Bar fan, definitely worth trying out. These flavors are fantastic. I hope this review is helpful for all of you out there. That about wraps it up. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. I'm Matt from SMM with your girl.